10-minute exercise, 45 seconds of work, 15 seconds of rest, 10 rounds. Short on time, do one. More time, do a couple. Let's start. Remember, no pain. Next, high knees, jogging on the spot. 3, 2, 1. Start working. Get those knees up, pump those superhero hands. Only move as far as you feel comfortable. We all have setbacks, but we must all keep moving, and we must all be resilient. Halfway. Champions aren't made in the gym. Champions are made from something they have deep inside. A dream, a desire, a vision. Tap into it. Exercise helps control your weight, so watch what you eat. 10 more seconds. You can do this. Keep going. 3, 2, 1. Rest. Next exercise is jumping jacks. 3, 2, 1. Start working. Pull the tummy in tight, stay in control. If it doesn't feel right, then don't do it. Do something else. Each little step moves you forward to that bigger goal. Halfway. To succeed, you need to find something to hold on to it. Keep you something motivated to inspire you. Exercise helps with heart disease. 10 more seconds. Almost there. Well done. 3, 2, 1. Rest. Next exercise is burpees. 3, 2, 1. Start working. Go down, legs back, legs in, jump up. Do what you can. Soft, quiet, light on your feet. Dream big and dare to fail. That's how we grow. Halfway. Difficulties in life are intended to make us better, not bitter. You can get better from this challenge. Exercise helps with diabetes and metabolism. 10 more seconds. Hustle, hustle, hustle. You got this. 3, 2, 1. Rest. Next exercise, side to side shuffle, reaching down. 3, 2, 1. Start working. We need to train in different directions, going up, going down, going side to side. Listen to your body, stay comfortable, stay in control. Go slow and build it up as you can. Let your actions speak. Don't just speak about it, do things. Halfway. You're not competing against anyone else, you're competing against yourself. Just do the best you can. Exercise can reduce your risk of cancer. 10 seconds left. Remember why you're here. What motivated you to do this? 3, 2, 1. Rest. Next exercise, lunges, reaching up. 3, 2, 1. Start working. Stay in control, stay balanced, stay light on your feet. Only push yourself a little at a time. Give yourself time to adjust. Be the change you want to see in the world. Halfway. It's not about winning, it's about showing up and working hard. Exercise is good for your muscles. 10 more seconds. Finish strong, you got this. 3, 2, 1. rest. Next exercise, seal jacks or cross jacks. 3, 2, 1, start working. Open up the chest, twist the palms of the hands, palm up, palm down. This fights all that time you were sitting in the chair. Barefoot exercises works more the foot and ankle muscles. Go slow and build up gradually. Tough times make you stronger for the next time you have a challenge in your life. We all have challenges. Halfway. Don't let anyone put you down. Be mentally tough. Exercise reduces stress. 10 seconds left. Hard work wins every time. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise, T rotation from a push-up position, the side plank position. 3, 2, 1, start working. Wide feet is easier, narrow feet takes more balance, is harder. Go side to side. Stay tall with a tall upright posture, don't sag down. Always look on the bright side, you're moving, you're doing something, you're doing great. Halfway. Even if you're on the right track, you're going to get run over if you just sit there. Exercise makes your bones stronger, your joints move easier. 10 more seconds. Follow your dream. Do this. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise, table bridge or glute bridge, laying on your back. 3, 2, 1, start working. Lift up your hips. This works your muscles behind the hips, the glutes. Keep your breathing, don't hold your breath. Stay in control of your movements. Rest if you need to. It's your life. Move to feel good. Halfway. Your strength isn't in your muscles, it's between your ears. You're a strong person, you can do this. Exercise can make you happier. 10 more seconds. You got this. Go, go, go. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise is the sit-through exercise on your hands and feet. 3, 2, 1, start working. This is the core, the hips, the shoulders, in all planes of motion. Go through what you can. Go easier if you need to. Use the different levels for each exercise. That's why they're here. Make each day your masterpiece, one day at a time, one exercise at a time. Halfway, keep going. If you want something you've never had, you've got to do something you've never done. Exercise makes you sleep better. 10 more seconds. One more round of this, you got it. 3, 2, 1, rest. Next exercise, arm and leg raises on your back. 3, 2, 1, start working. Rest the arms and legs if you need to. Work your core, your hips, your shoulders. Get sleep, drink water, use a variety of exercises to cross-train and prevent boredom. Live your dream, keep moving. Halfway through, you got this. The only real difference between people is how they use their mind. Exercise makes everything else in your life easier. 10 more seconds. Well done, I'm proud of you. Keep going, we're almost there. 3, 2, 1, rest. Well done. Thanks for doing 10-minute exercise. Do another routine here, or I'll see you tomorrow. Keep the momentum going. Do something every day, pain-free. Let me know what you think. Peace.